Hi, welcome for our RTL online trainings. In this session, I'm going to show you how to copy the users as well as the roles and privileges from the existing user. Because we are looking at in human capital management, HCM IMPL user, in supply chain management, SCM IMPL. IMPL means implementation user. Whenever we get that credentials, if we want to go for copy those roles, it takes generally long time. For example, let's say this user we have, supply chain management implementation user. We can find username, mail ID, and what is the status, whether it is logged or not. If we click on this, we can find multiple roles which are assigned for this particular user. These are the roles has been assigned, right? But I need a username which is similar to this, which is similar to this. Okay. So in that scenario, what we have to do is there is a button here, action. Click on this. If you want to go for log this particular user account, we can log from here. And if at all you want to reset the password, you can do it from here. Delete. And if you want to go for compare with other users, like what is the difference between these two users, we can compare and we can copy. This is what we are talking right now, copy user. Click on this. Now it is going to ask us, already the roles has been copied. Whatever the roles we have for supply chain management implementation user, we have that here. I'm going to specify here supply chain IMPL 22. SCM IMPL 22. Reset the password, whatever we require. Go for save and close. This is the username we have created, and whatever the roles we have for supply chain management implementation user, that we can find for this user also. 22 user, right? Let's say I want to compare this. You can go for compare the users. There is a button here also. Go to compare users. Still it is in progress, it seems. The user account. Meanwhile, we'll just log out and log in with the new user, whatever we have created. Internally, system is trying to attach the roles and privileges for the current user. Let's enter the password here. Now we can find all the roles, whatever we have for supply chain management. For example, if we want to work with inventory management, we can do it from here. Sales order management, when we are talking about procurement, and when we want to create product information management, PIM module, we can perform all the actions over here. It is okay. So when you try to compare these users also, we can find over here. Let's go to tools menu here. Go to navigator, tools menu, security console. Here, go to users tab here and search for the username. We want to say, compare this user with another user called SCMIMPL 22. Sorry, again, I'm trying to copy the user. Let's go to compare users. The first user is SCMIMPL, and the second user I'm going to search here. This is my second user. User to use role membership transfer job is in progress. Still, this job is not completed. So we have to wait for a couple of minutes. After that, we can go for compare these users, whether the roles has been copied from the built-in user or not. Take some time. Same thing if we want to copy financial IMPL user also. Search, take this actions menu, copy user, specify the first name, the last name here. Go for save and close. So this is how we will go for copy the user account. So whenever we get some credentials, okay, so that time what we can do is we can go for copy like this. And now system is showing internally some process has submitted. Internally system is trying to prepare the roles attached to the current user. And where do we check the status of this process? From the administration tab. So we have to go to the tab called administration here. Go to administration tab here. You can find user to role. Now this has completed. Both are completed here. Just two. So go to the roles tab. Sorry, users tab. Where users. Search for your user account. Click compare button. We can find any difference we have. Any difference between the previous user which we have received and the user, second user which we have created. And these are some differences. Inherited role, production schedule management, that role is not there for this user, but it's available for this. Why it is available for the new user, why it was not there is, while creating this role, they might have specified it should be automatically assigned for the new users. Whenever we create a new user account, this role should auto provisioning checkbox might be enabled. Other than that, we don't have any other options. So if at all you would like to show only in second user, what are the differences we have? Okay, we can find, here it is. Okay. Let me check this role status. Role provisioning rules. So while creating, generally we'll find the role provisioning rules here. In case if that role is having auto provision rule or not, we can get it from here. Here, this checkbox might be enabled for that particular role. That's the reason your role is going to be assigned for the new users. Okay. So this is how we can go for copy the users from existing account. In case if you receive any credentials or in when you are working in the project, if your managers are asking you, let's create a new user account with the same users and roles, same roles and aggregate information, then you can go for configure this. Okay. Thank you.